Managing your calendar can sometimes feel like a full-time job, but what if it didn't have to? Let's explore some ways Google Workspace with Gemini can help. Hi, I'm Nirali from Google. Say you're catching up on emails to clear your inbox. Suddenly, you need to reference your calendar to check your schedule so you can add an event. Instead of leaving your inbox and manually looking through your calendar, you can just ask Gemini about your availability. At the top right corner of your inbox, you'll see the Gemini Spark. Click on it, and the side panel will open up. Here, you can ask, when is my first event next week? Or schedule a lunch block at 12 p.m. next Tuesday. Gemini will check your calendar and help you schedule these events without you ever having to leave Gmail or break your flow. Gemini can also automatically detect calendar-related emails. For example, let's take a look at this email I received from a vendor. They sent me a reminder that we'll be doing a field visit at 9 a.m. this Tuesday. Gemini in Gmail detects the event details so I can easily add it to my calendar. And now, the event is scheduled in my calendar, all in one click. Ready to more easily manage your time? Give Gemini a try today and start planning your time better. At Google Workspace, we're committed to helping you and your team unlock the full potential of AI to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. So drop a comment below and let us know, what AI tips or tricks do you want to learn about next? And keep coming back to learn more about the best AI tools available to you through Google Workspace. See you in the next one.